wait. Say hi. How do I know if it's recording? Oh, I see the button. It's red.
Yeah. Dude, this dude's... Yo, he has to go over. He has to go over. It's the ball spot. Yo, I can see
You're
balls.
an idiot. Those are expecting to.
Yo, I can see balls. Oh, you want to submit something? There's this bitch eyeing me down there.
Right.
It is Ikea food, Ray. You have to come here. If you don't come here, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, they probably get this from like,
You can say what?
How did you see me?
I knew you were around the corner.
Wow. Oh, the mirror. Oh, you sneak.
That's a window, not a mirror.
You can see still.
No, you can't.
Oh, you can. What did you guys do to it?
Sugar and hot sauce.
Oh, there it is. It's really there. I really taste it now. Oh my god, you guys are such bitches. What if you put so much hot sauce in that and I drank it, I had a heart attack right then and there.
You're allergic to hot sauce?
No, people can have heart attacks from hot sauce. Too much of
So
it.
that's only me. It's two.
Go, now seriously guys, it's not funny. Just back me up. I'm perky, so are my tits. Okay. Where is the camera on Jessica? Why is the camera on her? Hi, yeah. Why is the camera on her? Bring the camera back! Bring the camera!
Just loves so you know.
Hi. So, guess where I am today? I'm at Ikea Foods. Where is the camera on her? Ikea Foods. Yes!
You know you could be just like me and drink your coffee.
No! They're ruining it. Restart it. You spit it all over me.
You like spit all over the table.
All over me. It's on my... Oh my god. I smell chicken. I couldn't delete it. I'm back. I can smell chicken from a mile radius.
You can go.
There's someone in their house right now eating some Toonie Tuesday. I don't care. It's not Tuesday, but they eating that chicken. They eating it. I'm telling you.